yoga friends. Before we start today's fun yoga adventure, don't forget to tap the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a new yoga session. In this video, we're going to enjoy easy and playful yoga poses that help your body feel strong, flexible, and relaxed. Take a deep breath, stretch your body, and get ready for some fun yoga time together. Let's begin our yoga journey. Stand tall as you gently roll out your mat, feeling ready and balanced for a fun practice ahead. Grow tall through your spine, press your feet into the mat, and take a slow, steady breath in and out. Find one steady spot to look at and balance calmly as you breathe slowly and smoothly. Wrap your arms and legs gently, sit a little lower, and breathe steadily while keeping your balance. Reach forward with confidence while gently lifting your back foot and breathing with control. Stretch long from your fingertips to your lifted heel and move your breath slowly and smoothly. Hug your knee in close, stand tall, and feel your balance growing stronger with each breath. Stretch your arms wide and glide forward smoothly while keeping your breath calm and steady. Open your chest gently, lift your legs strong and steady, and breathe with confidence. Sit back softly, twist gently from your middle, and take a slow, steady breath. Stretch your arms and legs wide, open your chest, and feel strong and bright like a shining star. Bend your knees gently, lift your heart tall, and breathe strong and steady. Lift your legs slowly to the side and keep your body tall as you breathe calmly. Balance lightly on your toes, stay steady, and breathe slowly and carefully. Lift one foot behind you, reach forward softly, and breathe with focus and ease. Fold gently forward, let your head relax, and take a slow, calming breath. Press your hands down, lift your hips up high, and breathe deeply as your body stretches long. Keep your body strong and steady as you gently tap one shoulder and breathe evenly. Lift your feet gently, sit tall, and hold your balance with calm, steady breathing. Lie still and quiet, let your whole body relax, and enjoy a calm, peaceful breath.